Hey friends, it's me, Cal. Hi, my name's Cal. And this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion my partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up for our family of 6. But that's not the cool part. We're taking you guys all the way across the country and back. Like I filmed all of it. And since we'll be attempting to make our way not only all the way across the country but back, now is the perfect time to subscribe. That way you know you're up. These are swinging. But we're taking you with us, so don't forget to subscribe. Now's the perfect time to start following along. It all started with a breakdown landing us a week in a diesel shop.
So we're gonna be getting the bus towed.
And how could we forget?
I hear the go-donk. We proceeded to back up over the Civic.
A school bus might have just been driven into the Civic.
I made a whole movie on this.
It all buffed out.
After the whole breakdown situation, we hit the ground running or started driving. Not very quickly because we're in a bus. We were a little scared. I'm not worried. However, mile by mile, we made it to not only Georgia, where we got kittens, and yes, 2. We got 2 kittens. There's a line. Has it been doing that this whole time? I don't know what I did. I don't know if I fixed it. Just hang in there. I'm almost done. Yeah, 2 whole kittens, and then we went back to Tennessee. We made our way over to Kentucky, where we explored some caves, and now we're leaving Missouri.
What was it called? Where were we?
The Gateway Arch.
Gateway?
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. It was a really big arch in the sky.
After exploring a big arch in the sky,
We did not go up it.
No.
which you could say went
We hit a sign.
so-so.
With the mirror.
With the mirror. It was nothing.
I didn't change my battery from last week. Oh my goodness. It's so gonna die. Okay. 1 sec. Let's bust this out. So now we're leaving Missouri and making our way west, but north to South Dakota. Make that make sense. I'm still working on an animation for you guys, but I don't know. I don't know about that. And today there's just a lot of miles to cover, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna change this so I can do the outro, and I'll talk to you in a bit. You're gonna want to buckle up. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. We're driving. We're doing a lot of driving. I forgot to hit the camera. Whoosh. I did it. Okay.
Can you film me putting it on? I'll get an artistic shot of my hands. Look right on this side. Can you turn around? No, shoot. Do you see how it looks cool?
Yeah, go.
Night fever, night fever. It's around the disco baby, disco baby, disco baby, disco.
How's it going up there?
All right. All right. She's not gonna use any of this. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. We are in Missouri, and we are going to be headed up north because we're trying to get to South Dakota. I think we're just doing a little bit of national park touring. We did this when I was younger, and we did a bunch. I don't even remember. Right after he was born. I think hit like half a dozen national parks.
With him on our
chest.
Arches, Moab. We drove past the Shenandoahs. That was fun. Where else did we go?
There's some trees.
Joshua Tree.
Joshua Tree. Zion.
Grand Canyon.
There was one right next to Zion that we went to. Oh, that was Canyonlands, right? Oh, we did the Bryce Canyon. So we're headed up. We're gonna do South Dakota. We're gonna do Badlands and Wind Cave. We're doing so many caves. We just did Mammoth Cave.
I hate caves.
Let's go spelunking. Gonna go get stuck in a cave. Badlands. I don't know. We're going. I'm tired. We messed around with the Starlink this morning. Starlink stopped working and then we swapped cables.
We gotta turn the TV off. So.
He wants the TV off so we can drive. He's telling us that
the other TV show don't work when we're driving. Eyebrow update.
Shouldn't that zoom?
And busted my lip too. Oh, get it out of my face.
Alright, so we are in east of Kansas City in Missouri.
And I love you, dear. This same old song.
We're in Missouri. We're headed up to South Dakota. This morning we woke up, the Starlink wasn't working. It apparently had like rattled the shit while we were driving through bumpy roads and came out or got loose. The cable I had wasn't working. I tried the backup cable, it was working, so there we go. I'll buy another backup Starlink cable because that's happened twice, 3 times now. I'm gonna put some padding around the like actual thing that plugs in and see if that works. We did that today and now we're gonna drive. And then we're gonna hang out and get some rest and do some work on some stuff. This is really like the grind of the drive from place to place. It's so much fun when you're there, but getting there, that's that. We're making the best of it. Billy Bass is coming to say hi. Mama's getting the bus ready. It says change zoom magnification. There you go. You look beautiful. You ready for a drive? Are you ready for a drive? Puddles, you ready for a drive? Moose, you ready? Just gonna hit the back tire, I'm sorry. There it is. Except for going down. So cool. Fuck that
There's a bunny outside. Why are you so crooked? That's not a me thing, is it? Figure out how to line you up so you're not. Oh, no. You were over here. Hey, that's pretty good. Alright, pretend you didn't see that. 1 second. Alright. Now we're getting somewhere, right? That's all I got. I don't know. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. If you did, I mean if you didn't, that's okay too. We're headed to South Dakota, so I want you guys to guess down below where you think we're headed next. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure, and it helps me out too. Then I'll know you're following along too. It's like a win-win. Alrighty, I will see you guys down the road. Bye. Do you see how it looks cool? Yeah. Night fever, night fever.